We'll guide you through how to edit PDF files in Inkscape, making your document editing smooth and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install the latest version from their official website. Once Inkscape is open, go to the File menu at the top left corner and select Open. In the File dialog that appears, navigate to the location of your PDF file, select it, and click Open. Inkscape will prompt you with a PDF import settings dialog. Here, you can choose which pages of the PDF you want to import. If it's a multi-page document, you'll want to specify the page range or import all pages if needed. Make sure to check the option Import via Poplar Cairo for better accuracy in rendering the PDF content. After setting your preferences, click OK to import the file. Once your PDF is imported, it becomes an editable vector file. You can click on text, images, and other elements to move or edit them. Use the Select and Transform tool, which is the arrow icon on the toolbox, to drag and resize objects. For text editing, double-click on the text to enter text editing mode. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors from the text and font dialog under the text menu. If you want to add new text or shapes, use the text tool or shape tools from the toolbox. Once you're done with your edits, you can save your work as a PDF again. Go to File and select Save As, then choose PDF from the file type options. Configure any PDF specific settings you need and click Save. Your edited PDF is now ready. Inkscape is a powerful tool for this purpose, so feel free to explore its features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.